From the buildings we live in, to the roads we travel, to the products we use every day, engineering, construction, and manufacturing form the foundation of our modern world. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we design, build, and produce, bringing a new level of precision, efficiency, and possibility. It begins with engineering. Before a single brick is laid or a machine is assembled, ideas take shape in digital form. AI can now simulate designs, test structures, and predict performance under real-world conditions. Engineers explore countless possibilities in a fraction of the time, identifying flaws and refining concepts. What once required months can now happen in days. From imagination to accuracy. Then comes construction. On job sites, AI is helping teams build smarter. Drones scan landscapes, mapping terrain, while systems analyze progress and identify potential risks. Even machinery is evolving. Autonomous equipment assists with repetitive tasks, while smart systems ensure materials are used efficiently, reducing waste. Every structure is intelligently constructed. In manufacturing, factories are becoming ecosystems of data. AI-powered machines monitor performance in real time, predict maintenance needs, and adjust operations to maintain quality. But progress comes with responsibility. Questions around cost and workforce adaptation remain. The true challenge is ensuring that the benefits of this technology are shared by all. Still, the impact is undeniable. Structures rise with confidence and projects move faster. Intelligence is no longer limited to human minds. It is embedded in the systems we create. As cities expand, we enter a new era of building where data guides decisions and human vision is amplified. The world is still built by human hands, but guided by something more. The future of engineering, construction, and manufacturing is already taking shape.